you remember I did a video where you put salt on a steak and I called it Tips and Tricks #1? I did that 5-7 years ago. I don't even know when I did it. But what I can tell you is this. I literally, I haven't done Tips and Tricks 2, ever. So I'm going to continue that series. It's going to be called Tips and Tricks series. I'll have a playlist if you want to see them all. But we're going to do different things with regards to the kitchen. Tips and tricks. I've showed you how to peel garlic in the tins and you bang them up and down. I've showed you how to cook corn in the microwave. You cut the root off and it slides right out. I've shown you all those in video form. Those are all tips and tricks. But we're going to specifically start bringing you random ideas or random kitchen tools or just stuff that'll help you in the kitchen. All right? So this is literally, I'm really excited. It's Silly Kitchen Tools, Tips and Tricks #2. Can you believe it? Tips and Tricks #2 after all these years. The romantic dinners, I'm still on #1 with that. It cracks me up. People are like, are you ever going to do another romantic dinner? I probably will. We'll do something with pasta. I'm guessing. I don't know. But we will have a romantic dinner #2 coming. Just be looking out for it. I start these things and I never finish them. Like I want to do recipe roulette and I want to do restaurant roulette on Jack on the Go. And I get these crazy ideas and I never get them finished. So hang in there. I'm trying to go through my list of not finished stuff and finish it for you. So let's look at these silly kitchen tools. Okay, the cool thing about this is these are the items we're going to be looking at. And these are the items I'm also going to be giving away. Yep. I'm just going to mail you these brand new items I just bought. All these are brand new. I will ship them out to people. If you're interested in any one of these particular items, just put it down in the comments below which one you like the best. These are some I've used, some I've never used, and some I think are cool. So some I know are good, I've never used. Some I know are good because I've used. They're all here. Everything's here. So let's start with these first, okay? We got utensils. We got an avocado tool. We got a garlic mincer. We got a garlic peeler. We got a corn zipper. And we've got a voodoo doll toothpick holder, okay? So we're going to look at each and every one. If you see something you like, put it down in the comments below, all right? Let's get started. Some of these you've seen before on the show. I've talked about them. When I first got them, I fell in love with them. But I want to bring them to your attention again because some of you have not seen. All right, these utensils, let me move that over. Okay, these utensils are by Rachel Ray. They're good, they're hard, silicone. They won't scratch any of your pots or cookware. You don't have to worry about it. You can use them. It's a hard silicone. It's a really, really good silicone. Okay, best part about it is the little cutout. No other utensils that I know, I haven't seen it yet, has that cutout. All right? What's that cutout for? Let me show you. So basically, you're stirring, right? You're getting it all mixed up, and then you got to go answer the phone. Just drop it right there. It'll drip back into the sauce, the soup, whatever you're making. And the cutout fits on any pot. All right? So you can, these are great. I've been using the orange ones on the show for a few years. And they're like my favorite utensils because I do this all the time. I can't stand juice building up in the spoon rest. So I rest my spoon on the pot between takes. And if it drips, it doesn't drip in the spoon rest and fill up a bunch of liquid into the spoon rest, okay? So these are really cool. I don't use this one much, but you might. I don't know. This one I use, and this one I use, and I use my tongs that are silicone and everything. But yeah, best thing about this is the cutout. That's it. And they last forever. These tools last forever. I'd buy them for anybody. So if you like those, let me know. But that's basically the tools, the utensils from Rachel Ray, and these are the 3 most used ones that I use. I believe there's some other ones online. In fact, hold on a minute. I do have this one too that isn't a part of this set. This is my favorite ladle. And that, once again, sits right there. It's beautiful. So there are other tools like this that will complete this set. This is the mini set. I bought the basic ones you use, but you can also get this ladle, which I highly recommend. But I'll have links all down below. Okay, now some of these tools I'm going to demonstrate for you. I'm going to demonstrate this one, and I'll show you. I'll show you the product, and then I'll show you how it works. All right. So basically, let me get mine. This is already packaged. I don't want to open this one because I'm giving that away. All right. So let me show you how this works. Okay. It's a 3-in-1 avocado tool. It's got hundreds and hundreds, maybe even thousands. I don't know. Tons of great reviews on this. Everybody who does avocados has this now. All right. So basically, this rigid part cuts the avocado, so you can slice around the pit. Then you turn it over, and there's these 3 metal clips. You drop that on top of the pit and twist, and it pops the pit right out. Okay. Then this is for slicing. You dig right through, and it makes individual pieces. It's really cool. And you just dig it all the way through the avocado. And that's it. But let me show you how it looks. Ready? Here's tool number 1. This is the cutting motion I told you about. There you go. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, now remember that metal section? We're going to put that on the pit and rotate. So you hit it hard, kind of hard. There you go. It literally, you don't have to do it hard. Okay, and the last tool is just digging it out. And that is how you dig out the avocado. That's the 3rd tool in 1. Okay, we got 2 tools here that are related to garlic. One of them is this. These are silicone garlic peelers. The way I was taught to break these open, this is a garlic bulb that has about probably 8 garlic cloves in it, okay? And I was told to just slam down on it with the palm of your hand, and they all separate. See? You get them all like that. Okay, guys, this is what we're demonstrating right now, but I want to show you on mine so I don't have to open the packaging because I'd like to keep it new for whoever gets it. This is mine, okay? These things are great. Made out of silicone, super lightweight, easy to wash. Throw in the dishwasher, it doesn't matter. All right, so basically, you know how you got to peel the skin off of a clove, right? It's got a little kind of outer skin that you don't want, like an onion. But sometimes it's really hard to get it started and get it all off. So what you do is you take it and push this in the middle, stick it in the middle, put your arm down, just like that, nice and firm. Hear that? And just roll. And if I did this correctly, it should just take look, it comes right off. The skin comes right off. Yep, perfect. Okay, so this tool is for garlic also, for mincing garlic. I'm going to have to wash this, clean this before I send it out because I don't have one of these. I should have kept this, but I'm giving all this stuff away. So if this interests you, let's see how it works. You sit here and roll across the garlic and it'll mince the garlic for you. Make sure it's peeled. You don't want to go across the skin. Do I have all the skin off? I think I do. All right. And we're just going to roll across. Here we go. It doesn't work very well. I guess I'm just weak, I guess. I don't know. But it's crushed. I don't like this. So I bought this because it was cute, it was silly, it was crazy. It's a toothpick holder. It's a voodoo doll toothpick holder, and you take your toothpicks, like that, and you got these random holes. You just stick them in, and then when you need a toothpick, you walk by and pull it out of your voodoo doll. Oh, we don't put that one there. No, just like that. Okay. So I got this, and I decided I don't like it. Why don't I like it? I'll show you why. It's cute, and it'd be cool to kind of have on the counter, but I would have made it out of a different material that I could poke my toothpicks into. I don't care if it was styrofoam or what, but the problem is, let me show you. It's made out of like a hard ceramic that the holes, you either use the holes he's already got in him that they've placed, or you don't use it at all. So I'm not real fond of this. And this is how you use the corn zipper. Be careful. It's kind of like a potato peeler. I'll hold the plate for you. I don't know if this is going to work. If this doesn't work, we're going to tell you. Ooh, you just wiggle. You have to wiggle it a little bit back and forth to do the cut. But look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. That corn is being zipped. All right, guys. It literally worked perfect. You have to literally, when you're going down the corn, just wobble it a little bit. Watch. One more time. Look at this. You just twist the handle a little bit, and it works really good. It cuts right through. Anyway, that's what we got for today. These are your silly kitchen tools, and somebody in this world will use these. So anyway, that's it. I will see you guys on the next video. And don't forget, there's more tips and tricks coming.